Hey guys, this is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Today I have with me a 2011 Harley Davidson Fat Bob. It's got the fuel injected 96-inch motor backed by a 6-speed transmission. It's got a real nice set of short Vance and Hines pipes. Sound really good on this bike. Right here you've got your docking hardware if you want to put a luggage rack or a passenger backrest on the bike. Got some upgraded black turn signals here with clear lenses. Some real good tread on that Michelin tire. Looks like somebody put on a Willie G derby cover. Those always look cool. And a chrome belt cover here. Also got some upgraded levers. Black front turn signals with the clear lenses. Front tire's got plenty of tread to match the rear. And the Fat Bob's got this twin headlight setup. And man, I just love how that looks. That looks tough. Let's check out the miles. Looking at 16,274 miles. Good sounding pipes. Now on this bike there are a handful of flaws and blemishes in the paint and whatnot. We got a little rub mark right here. Looks like a little, not sure what that is. It might be able to be buffed out. Some small rub marks up here. Can't really tell on the video. There's not much to point out, but they are there. Front fender looked pretty clean to me. I did notice a little mark here on the clamps for the handlebars. Little rock chip right here on the rear fender. Real nice bike. If you'd like to know more about it, you can contact our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151, or you can check out our website at cleanharleys.com and view our full inventory. We have excellent finance and extended warranty options. Take almost anything in on trade. We sell and ship bikes all around the world, so it'd be real easy to get this one to you. I'm Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for watching.